Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Schrader Shook and I'm going to be taking you through your 10 Black Dots activity page. So if you are watching this video, it means you've already accessed the classroom. You could have done that by clicking this link, or I can click that link on the side, and now here I have my 10 black dots. That will take you to this classroom. If you are watching this video, you would have already been watching Classroom Tour. That's what I'm doing right now, showing you the Classroom Tour. After you're done watching my video, you are going to go to number 2. There you can see me, Mrs. Schrader Shook. When you click on me, see how my mouse changes? When it changes to something like that, instead of just the mouse that has a point and it changes to a hand, that means you can click on that. So you're going to click on me, and then it takes you to a video of me teaching you a lesson. Then you'll go back into the classroom. Then you move to dot number 3. When you click a dot number 3, this takes you to a video of me reading you the story 10 Black Dots. You go back into the classroom. You go to number 4. In number 4, there's a video of me teaching you how to make your own black dots for your lesson. From there, you go to the seesaw activity, and this is me explaining what your lesson is that you send back to me. Finally, we have Station 6, the Exploratory Corner. In the Exploratory Corner, you can click on things that have dots, spots, circles. Here we have the fish aquarium that you can click on, Piggy, Pete the cat, fruit pizza, school bus, put me in the zoo, the very hungry caterpillar, and a space helmet. You can click on any of these activities. Like if I click the space helmet, now there's a video of an astronaut reading a story. That is the tour of the classroom activity. Now let me just show you very quickly when it is time for you to submit on Seesaw. So let's say you've gone through, you've explored some things. You don't need to explore everything in the exploratory corner, but it is an option. When you go in, you will say add response. And that is where you will go to taking your pictures of your activity, telling me what you did in the exploratory corner, and telling me how you did. All right, I hope you enjoy this 10 Black Dots classroom, and this is Mrs. Schrader Shook. I will see you soon.